Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Spring Healthy. Today, let's dive into the world of avocados. Those little green wonders that are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for our health. Get ready as we uncover the top 3 advantages of adding avocados to your diet. Grab a seat, and let's explore why avocados are the buzzword in the health community. First up, heart health. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, like oleic acid. These fats are like superheroes for your heart, lowering bad cholesterol and raising the good, which means a reduced risk of heart disease. Plus, avocados are a great source of potassium, helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Next, the nutrient powerhouse of avocados. These little fruits are bursting with essential nutrients, vitamins K, E, C, B6, along with minerals like potassium and magnesium. This nutrient combo supports everything from bones to immunity, all wrapped up in a creamy package. Lastly, weight management and feeling full. Despite being calorie-rich, avocados contain healthy fats and fiber that keep you satisfied. This helps control cravings and prevents overeating, making avocados your ally in balanced eating. And there you have it, the top 3 benefits of making avocados a part of your meals. Whether in smoothies, on toast, or in salads, avocados offer a delicious way to amp up your health. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up.